Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Easy Way. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Great to see you again.
Today, we're talking about something every English learner wants.
Confidence. English confidence.
Yes, the big question is, how do I speak English confidently?
If you feel nervous, scared, or shy when speaking English, don't worry. You're not alone.
We're going to show you exactly how to fix that, step by step.
Step 1. Stop trying to be perfect. Confidence dies when you aim for perfection.
In the beginning, your English doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be spoken.
Mistakes are not a problem. Silence is the real problem.
Speak with the English you have right now.
Step 2. Use simple sentences. Don't try to speak like Shakespeare on day 1.
Yes, start with easy sentences like, I like this. I don't understand. Please repeat.
Simple English equals confident English.
Step 3. Practice speaking alone first. Confidence grows in private before it shows in public.
Hello, Paul. How are you today?
If someone sees you talking to yourself, just say, I'm practicing.
Yes, self-talk is powerful. It trains your mouth to move in English.
Step 4. Shadowing. The secret technique. Shadowing is amazing for confidence.
Amazing!
Listen to native speakers and repeat exactly like an echo.
How are you? How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine.
Your pronunciation, speed, and fluency improve fast with shadowing.
Step 5. Build your confidence phrases. Confidence phrases are short, easy lines you can use anytime.
Like, I'll try. Can you say it again? Give me a moment. I'm learning.
These small phrases make you feel strong, not scared.
Step 6. Speak with real people, even 2 minutes. Talk to your friend, classmate, colleague, anyone.
Even 2 minutes a day is enough.
The more you speak, the more natural it becomes.
Confidence is not built in your brain. It's built in your mouth.
Step 7. Don't translate. Think directly in English. Translation makes you slow and nervous.
Wait, what is the English of, hold on.
Start with small English thoughts, like, nice weather. I'm hungry. I need water.
Thinking directly in English boosts confidence instantly.
Step 8. Accept your accent. You don't need a British or American accent to be confident.
Native speakers also have different accents.
Your accent is not a mistake. It's part of your identity.
Speak clearly, not perfectly.
Step 9. Celebrate small wins. Did you speak one sentence today? Celebrate!
Did you understand a movie line? Celebrate.
Small victories build big confidence.
Be proud of every step. Real life mini role play. Emily, I'm scared to speak English.
That's okay, Paul. Speak one simple sentence.
I'm learning English.
Great! Now say it with confidence.
I'm learning English.
Yes! That's how confidence grows.
Final message. Confidence is not born, it is built.
And you build it by speaking, not by waiting.
Start small, start simple, but start today.
You already have the ability. You just need the courage.
And we believe in you.
Thanks for learning with us today.
Like, share, and subscribe to Learn English Easy Way.
See you next time. Bye.